Hello, welcome. In this video, we will look at how to implement a set using hashing. So here is our class design for set. So this is the size and the number of elements in the set. And this is the hash table. We're going to store the elements in the set. Construct creating an empty set is the add an element to the set and returns true if the element is added successfully. And this is remove the element from set and return true if the set contained the element. So it's actually the element is removed. If the set does not contain the element, nothing to remove. So this clear is remove all elements from the set, and the contains returns true if the element is in the set. Is empty returns true if this set contains no elements. And this is the get size, returns the number of elements in this set. Union, perform set union, perform set difference, perform set intersection, and this toString returns a string representation for the set. And this is the get table, returns the internal hash table as a string. So here is the implementation. So we have the default initial capacity is 4. The default max load factor is 75%. That's the threshold. And this is the maximum capacity is 2 and power raised to 30. And this is 1. You can do, it's the same as performing the bitwise left shift 30 times. So this is the same as 2 and power raised to 30. So here is the init method, set the capacity, load factor threshold. And this one here, we're going to create the table and put the buckets into the table. And the size is 0 now. And this is add and check the size if this exceeds the threshold. And then we increase size, but before we increase it, make sure it's not go beyond maximum capacity. All right, so after you rehash it, all right, everything is right. You have the capacity, the threshold is within control. So you can get the bucket index and here invoke the hash method on the hash code. All right, so this is remove, contains, and get, and here get all the keys, return all the keys as a list. This is the toString, the string method. Okay, so here is this one here. It should be the string method right here, the string. So this is the time complexity and all this operation, search, insertion, and remove, and those are the all of one-time constant time. And this is to write a test program using it. So you create a set, and create a set, insert all these elements to the set, and look at operations toString. And so this is get a string representation of the set, and see if this contains 11, contains 1, contains 11, remove 2. And after you remove 2, look at the set and look at get all the tab, got the table. So this internal table, it's list. So that's the internal table. It's like this. All right, that is all for this section. Implementing a set using hashing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.